Hey guys, I'm starting with the day 2, but my thing was low and I need to get space back, so I'm just gonna summarize what we did yesterday. What we did was we ate breakfast and we walked around for a little bit, and then we actually went to this place where they make ice cream out of liquid nitrogen. And then after that, we went to a casino to eat, and now we're going to. Well, after that, we went swimming. That's really it. And the intro on this video was supposed to be for day 2, but that didn't work out. So.